Hello, in this video we will be giving you a brief overview of the reporting capabilities in IBM TRIRIGA. With TRIRIGA, any process is managed in the application and the data associated with those processes is reportable. So users can query particular data sets such as all work tasks in our example here, and the reporting will show all the data columns that were specified in this particular query. Users can view the particular records as shown in the query by clicking on the particular line item, which will now open up the tasks themselves. With these queries in TRIRIGA, users can add or remove columns as needed, download the reporting as Excel files. In this case, we simply hit the download icon, and then it will now download this query as an Excel format, and we can use to edit or manipulate the data as required. This can be done with just about any record in TRIRIGA. For users that require more presentable, cleaner formatting in their reports, IBM TRIRIGA offers what we call BIRT reports. So we will go ahead and open up a particular BIRT report on vendor performance. Then once the report loads, as you can see here, the formatting is a little bit cleaner and structured than what we saw previously. With BIRT reporting, it allows users to more readily customize their reporting that can be used and exported into PDF format, Word doc, and other types of formats. This allows you to present roll-up information with the data in your system, such as vendor costs for all the work tasks performed by your external vendors. So in addition to these reporting features, IBM TRIRIGA also has a more customizable reporting tool called IBM Reports. What this does is it gives you the ability to create reports and graphs that allows users to add additional columns, add custom columns to do calculations such as calculating the differences between dates, updating the filtering by start-stop date. It gives you a lot of features to add or remove columns, groupings, and then doing aggregates as needed in your reports. In addition to reporting, IBM TRIRIGA Reports also has graphical capabilities. So in this case, we will be opening up a query for buildings by type. This chart will now show all the buildings based on type, and these charts are interactive and has access directly to the data. So in this case, I'm hovering over all buildings with the classification of hangar. So I can click on this, and it will now show you all the different hangars within our company. And from this section, I can actually open up the record directly if needed, and it'll show you the additional information for this particular hangar. In addition to pie charts, users can create bar, line, scatter plots, different types of graphics that users can, of course, download or export their images into JPEG, PNG, or SVG format. And in particular, with these reports, users can embed them into their homepage for dashboards. So if we want to show, open work tasks by resources, we would simply create this report and embed it in a supervisor's homepage. So IBM TRIRIGA reports gives you the flexibility to create the custom reporting and charts that are required and embed them in your user profiles as part of a dashboard type build out. This concludes the brief overview of the different reporting features available with IBM TRIRIGA as shipped product.